are going to love the 2020 CX-5. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, daytime running lights, retractable cargo cover. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, AHA, audio, speed sensitive volume control, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, cargo area light, rear floor mats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.